Hearts. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe, turn the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. Give me a big thumbs up. Today I am going to be making a paper airplane with my brother. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started with the paper airplane.
You gotta fold it like this. Line up the corners. Pretty simple. Open it up. Must be exact. Open it up.
Okay.
Then grab a corner and bring it to the middle. If you want it really nice looking, you gotta try to exact the thing, but I didn't. Make sure it's steady enough. Then grab up here, like up in this section. Pull it over like that for both sides.
Like this.
Yeah, towards the middle.
Okay, like this. Both sides. You can show them what yours looks like.
So far. And then grab it like this.
So far. There. Show them in the video. Yep.
And then make the wings.
What do you do next?
Fold it.
Like this.
Yeah.
And then okay, well, let me finish mine and then we will play with airplanes for a minute to show you guys how good they are. Okay, next we fold the flaps.
Yeah, make the wings.
Right here.
Not like that, a little bigger.
Like that. How do you do it again? We will be back when I get mine done.
Make sure you gotta have a tip, sharp tip. Grab it like this, and then lightly, gently fill it. You can get a bad fill to that. You just need a couple tries.
Okay, next is me. Okay, now I am going to throw it. Thank you guys for watching Sarah Hearts. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.